Hi, in this video I'm going to give you a quick demo of Trackpad and show you what it can do. Trackpad lets you touch parts of your screen without actually having to reach there yourself. It gives you a cursor that you can control to interact with your screen. You can move the cursor, tap with the cursor, long press with the cursor, and even drag with the cursor. To move the cursor around, just drag on the screen with your finger. To tap with the cursor, just tap the screen with your finger. To long press with the cursor, just long press the screen with your finger. And to drag with the cursor, just long press then drag the screen with your finger. So here I use Trackpad to tap on the search bar at the top of the screen. Then I flick the cursor down to dismiss Trackpad. Then I type in the first part of my search. And then I bring up Trackpad again to tap on the suggested item. Thanks for watching the video, and I hope you enjoy using the app.